Hey guys, so it is Alex here today, and I'm gonna do a unboxing of my Sephora order. So I got a relatively big box of stuff here to show you guys today, and I actually got a lot of stuff from the Sephora gift sets collection. I really like to shop in those in the holidays because I think they have some really good sets. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this watermelon set. I am really excited by this because I really wanted to try the sleeping mask. And actually, let me get this out. So it comes in this really cute little jelly bag, which I love. And then we're going to open it up. And it comes with one Watermelon Glow jelly sheet mask. And this is for hydrating and soothing. And I'm just really, really excited to try this. The next product I have is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is all from Glow Recipe, the brand. And honestly, I'm really excited by this because all of their stuff smells like straight watermelon. Oh my god. It smells like a Jolly Rancher and I love it. I'm just so excited. So maybe if you're not like a person that likes super fragrancy things, this might not be for you, but I just think it smells amazing. And this is the moisturizer. The next one I'm going to show you is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this is Glowing Radiance Plus Softening. So this one also smells like watermelon. I really like that. Since this is the sleeping mask and the other one's the moisturizer, it makes me think that this one's supposed to be used at night and the moisturizer is for during the day. I don't know. I didn't do a ton of research about the moisturizer before this. I know a lot about the sleeping mask because I've been wanting that for a while, and when I saw it came in a gift set, I really wanted to try it. The next thing I have in my box is the Laneige Kiss and Makeup set. It's 4 pieces. And they're all like lip sleeping masks. So I'm really excited by this one because I've been wanting a good lip sleeping mask. And Maggie McDonald and Kaylee Varney actually really recommended these. And they mentioned the vanilla one. And I love vanilla scented things. So that's the one I actually want to try. And it came in this gift set of 4. So when you open this up, you have the big original one. Then you have 3 smaller ones. So this one's green apple, this one's the vanilla one, and then this one's grapefruit. And then it also comes with a little silicone applicator thing. So that's really cool. And I've actually smelled all these. The original one smells like strawberries, just in case anyone's wondering. It does not say the scent on there, but it smells like strawberries. And I'm honestly so excited to use these. The last thing I got was the Sephora Favorite skincare box for the holiday season. And this is the thing I was most excited about because Maddie got one last year and she was just raving about it and she was telling me how good it is, and I was like, well, I have to get the one when it comes out this year. So I purchased this. It was $64 for me, and it says that the retail value was $225. So I am so excited by this. When I open this up, I take this off, and it's this cute little box. Oh, I love this. Okay, guys, look how cute this is. Here, I'm gonna try and hold this up. Look how cute that is. I am so excited. Okay. So I guess we'll go through all these products and I'll just explain what's in here. So the first thing I have is the Fab First Aid Beauty. These are facial radiance pads and they're supposed to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. They are alcohol free and they're safe for sensitive skin, which is like a huge thing for me. Like, I only use products that say they are good for sensitive skin because everything used to react to my skin when I was younger, and it just scares me that that might happen. So I really try and use things that just say sensitive skin or things that are cleaner. I just think it's really important to me. The next thing I see is this Sol de Janeiro, I might be saying that wrong, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, the mini size. And I have been wanting to use this stuff for years. I'm not even joking. I have been wanting to use this since like 2012, and I just like haven't bought it for some reason. So I'm so excited by this sample size, and I can decide if it's something I really want to invest in. The next thing I have is Maddie says Shiseido. I don't see another H though, so I'm gonna say Shiseido. I'm sorry, I am butchering the name right now. This is an intensive eye contour cream that's supposed to combat wrinkles. And this is obviously like the mini size. Most of this stuff is the mini size. But I am like really excited because I want a really good eye cream. I've been looking for one. I really like the Kiehl's creamy eye treatment, but I just like to try new ones. So I'm really excited that that came with it. Okay, guys, the next thing I've actually been wanting to purchase, and I was going to purchase with this order, and I did not realize it came with it, and I was just so excited. So this is the Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen. I feel like it's the thing that Ole Henriksen is like most famous for, is their Truth Serum. And Maddie says she really likes it, and I was actually wanting to like get it and try it out for you guys. And now I don't have to buy it because it's already in my favorites box. So I'm so excited to try this. The next thing is this Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. So this looks really cute. Honestly, anything with a dropper, I love. And there's like 4 things in this box with droppers, and it makes me so excited. So that's just what it looks like. I'll probably do some up close ones with this for you guys. Looks super cute. Like the packaging. I think it smelled pretty good. Maybe it didn't smell anything. Hold on. Let me see if it's scented. It smells very much like alcohol mixed with like grandma's perfume. We also have this CEO Vitamin C Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. I absolutely love different serums. I'm not gonna, I just think they're so fun to try out, and they're so good for your skin. So I am extremely, extremely excited to try this one out. And vitamin C is also really good for your skin, so I don't know. I'm excited. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. It is a skin transforming hydrating cleansing serum. It's an anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate, and it's just like a cleanser, I guess. And I don't know when I'm going to use this. Maybe like once a week, just to like incorporate it into my skin routine. I really like my Rodan & Fields products for like my face wash, my main face wash. I like to add different serums and stuff, but my main face wash, I really enjoy the Rodan & Fields routine. Next, we have the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, and this is just like a basic eye cream, but I actually really love Clinique. I use a lot of their products, and I have done since I was like 10, because my mom always loved Clinique, so I'm really excited to use this. This is obviously a little one, but let's see if it smells for you guys. I think it smells. I do like the applicator for this one. It's like rounded. I think that's really cool. No, it doesn't smell of anything. Next is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I'm actually really excited to try this. I did a lot of research on SK2, I want to say 2 years ago. I was considering using their face wash when I was having all my acne problems. It was before I found Rodan & Fields, and I was going through all of their information. I was looking at people's different stories about SK2, and I don't think I ended up buying it. I think we just ended up going back to my dermatologist and talking to her again. But I was actually really interested in this brand, and I never tried anything from them, but I really wanted to. So I am so excited that I now have a facial essence by them. Now we have this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now, this is like really cool. Yeah, it does smell lime citrusy. I'm actually really excited to try this because I tried Maddie's Clinique Melt Away Balm that they had in the previous Sephora Skin Favorites, and I actually really liked it. I was surprised how well it worked. Like, it was like impressive how well it worked, so I'm excited to try that and compare it to the Clinique version. Next thing I see is the Tarte Drink of H2O. It is a hydration boost. It doesn't really have a scent that much. I mean, there's a slight fragrance. There's a slight fragrance to it. I have had 4 phone calls interrupt this video. Okay, we're gonna keep going. So, this Tarte hydration boost might be a good option if you don't like a lot of fragrance in your skincare. We're down to our final 4 items. This one is the Boscia. How did you say it?
Boscia.
Maddie says Boscia. I say Boscia. Let us know down below how you actually pronounce this. This is the cactus water, which is another hydration cream, and ooh, it's like clear with a green tint. Doesn't smell of anything, so if you guys don't like scents, definitely try this one out. And it just kind of looks fun. I really like the packaging. Okay, the next 3 are all dropper bottles, which obviously I love. I'm so excited. So this is the Caudal Vino Perfect Serum Eclat. Oh, I just said the French version. Okay. This is the Radiant Serum. Good. I'm really glad I just did that on camera. Okay. And then, okay, this reminds me of something. What is it? What does this remind me of? It reminds me of my grandma's kitchen. This really smells like my grandma's kitchen. Maybe, it smells like freshly chopped vegetables. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what it smells like to me. So, it's not a strong scent for sure, but it really smells like my grandma's kitchen. Okay. I'm excited to try that one out anyway. As I said, I really like serums. This one, I think, is like on my top list to try right now. It is the Algenist Liquid Collagen Serum. It's just basically like the serum like has little yellow beads in it. But I'm really excited to try this one out. And last but not least, we have something from Kiehl's. It is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It comes in this little bottle. And I just think this will be really fun to try out. So that is everything for the new Sephora favorites for skincare that is out for this holiday season. I'm really excited to try all these products, and of course I'm going to review them once I've tried them out, and I will say if I like them, if I think this box is worth the money, which for right now I think the box is definitely worth the money. It's only $64 and you get 15 different products to try out, so I think it's definitely worth the money. Remember to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions about the products I bought down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye guys!